Let's allow a ball to fall freely from this diving board onto the water surface of the swimming pool. It goes down under the force of gravity. Let's observe again and note the time using a stopwatch. It took 0.6 seconds to reach the water surface from the diving board. Let's solve a numerical problem related to this. A ball is allowed to fall freely from a diving board above a swimming pool. It takes 0.6 seconds to reach the surface of the water. Find the height of the diving board from the water surface. To find the distance traveled by the ball, we'll be using the equation of motion for a freely falling body. S equal to ut plus half gt square. U is the initial velocity, which in this case is 0 meters per second. Time taken is 0.6 seconds. And acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second square. On substituting the values in the equation, we will get the distance traveled by the ball, that is equal to 1.76 meters. S is equal to 1.76 meters. There is no water in this pool. It took 0.8 seconds to reach the floor of the pool. Now let's find out the height of the diving board from the pool floor. We will neglect the air resistance and we will assume acceleration due to gravity equal to 9.8 meters per second square. We will be using the same equation of motion for a freely falling body. S equal to ut plus half gt square. Initial velocity was 0. Time taken is 0.8 seconds and g is 9.8. On substituting these values, we will get the distance between the board and the floor to be equal to 3.14 meters. There are 3 balls of unequal masses, but still they will hit the floor at approximately the same time. Here, 3 balls are allowed to fall freely from different heights. If we know the time taken by the balls to reach the floor, we can easily find the height of these diving boards. Here, the height of the first diving board is 4.9 meters, that of the second board is 3.97 meters, and height of the third board is 3.14 meters. Now let's measure the time taken by this ball to reach the ground. This ball is falling from the top of the building and it reaches the ground in 1.9 seconds. So can we find the height of this building? Yes, we'll be using the same equation of motion for a freely falling body. We will substitute the values of g and t. S equal to ut plus half gt square. Initial velocity was 0, time is 1.9 seconds and g is 9.8 meter per second square. On substituting the values, we will get the height of the building, that is equal to 17.69 meters.